You know the advantage me have in a life? Me say girl power, me say pussy power, me a artist, me a queen, me a wife, me do hosting, me do counseling, me do entertaining, me all purpose. I'm not disrespectful, me very jovial. So if you are somebody and you are well recognized and I am someone and I come to you and say, Wagwan St. Thomas, man, and you come give me blood clot attitude like me lick out your battle, me never lick out your battle. It's fucking rude. Man has carried through the world, you just want people money and for stream for people say unruly, move your blood clot, you disrespect the queen and I shall forever say it. And I don't care if you want to fucking apologize for my vice, my vice. Can you see that vice our Father God give me? Enough blood clot people it aren't and enough people it heal. Take it as it come, one day at a time, sweet Jesus. You're very rude. You don't live in England and you come here and represent for a lot of things me stand up for. I'm come and acknowledge you, you deny me, and I come talk about me pull him. You big tough blood clot, picky one come here, man, and I come talk about pull. Me can't pull You come like the annoying popcorn when you eat the popcorn and the little glass is something itching on your teeth. I saw you annoy me since night. But you know what? God is good, God is great. Enough, you're too enough, queen. But show me a hot girl who no can't shame me. I shame for bumble blood clot shame. Fuck off. Fuck you, popcorn. Fuck off. Fuck you. Blood clot. Stick a woolly pop in. It is what it is and still it's not what it's not. Yesterday evening on 3 o'clock, I get a phone call from calm down, Queenie. From Ray and Nephew UK. Queenie, did you see the invitation we sent you to meet up with Beenie Man? Beenie Man a performer. Beenie Man performance. It's Beenie Man perform all night. Anyway, when we got DJ Curry came round at the back, round at one part of one place, which is VIP. And I was there talking to Beenie Man. Just ask Beenie Man to do a video for Ladyland. And when me look me here, come and say, oh, popcorn. Me not even see the popcorn, them did that pop up in the microwaves. I went come here, say popcorn, see me with my enough self now. I said, St. Thomas, man, move your blood clot. What the fuck you not tell me? Say you're a celebrity, you're an artist. So you have to respect your fans. They can't disrespect your fans. And people that can make it look like me do something wrong because I say hi to him. Popcorn, they eat up in my yard on a Moodle Lane, Seafood, St. Thomas. With my cousin them, you know this blood clot me. No man know this me. Because I notice no dirty blood clot Jamaican man and no respect. Oh man. But me, I stand up for my right. Which is right, and I will be might, because I am the fucking queen and you're on my ground. Queen lady gangster, this is a queen's land, a queen's world, woman world. The one on the come out of pussy. Move your blood clot. Where? Bamba blood clot. Me no care. The blood clot start to move on the blood clot. Start the man, me not done. Until me fucking satisfied. I don't want to apologize either. Don't think me I let no blood clot apologize. Me apologize to myself. And nobody can tell me who me for call to anytime I call to anybody again and them diss me. I diss the blood clot this. But you come run me and I walk away. You fucking rude. Morning, Queen. I'm glad that you're terrible and awful and disgusting and you're not taking no disrespect. It's a Queen. I love you, woman. You stand up for yourself always and forever. And don't give a fuck who wants to stand by you. Me stand by me. Morning to the nation. The Queen is here. Wakey, rise and shine. Say yes, the man can we bless. Give God thanks for life. No disrespect to the Queen. Anybody diss me, whether I'm enough call to me too into people, I am a people person. You stand up there and talk to Beenie Man. I was there talking to Beenie Man, correction. I was there speaking to Beenie Man. And you come along and start green Beenie Man. Calm down, Miss Queen. Yeah, meet green Beenie Man. I'm here, my friends. Oh, popcorn. See me with my enough self. What I'm St. Thomas, man. Me not take blood clot insult or insult for insult. Whether me wrong, right, or pussy clot bright. Don't insult me, a public figure. You're out in the public, run at the back and meet and greet. VIP section where all of the celebrity and the artists and the important people. And you insult me. Blood clot, but look at IG followers and them think them are celebrities. So, I'm going to celebrity you acknowledge. Where Jake don't like you. I'm going to sing your thing. Me do every blood clot thing, me cuss. Me preach, my counsel, my mother, my wife, my queen. I want to your popcorn. Get a hold of your dirty blood clot self. You're gone too far. How you this? How you insult? Until you have to kill blood clot me. Remember me telling the bomber all that. Till death do us blood clot part. Cause me, never gonna stay silent. And anybody will send me any blood clot shit. My life up on your blood clot head. You hear that? Fuck you feel like about little IG followers. Make you think you feel I am a celebrity. What the fuck are you alone a celebrity? You just a singer. All of this, the people them that hear your song, them not remember you. Me interact with my people them popcorn every day. Me pray with them, me cuss with them, me cry with them, me sing with them. Move your blood clot. You think me don't know my words? Move your ugly blood clot, picky forehead. Where?